Hi, Brian. How are you? I am back after in many time. You will see in this Cindy in my Bhuria color is Cindy. The mango, small mango, hang in the tree, looking very nice and looking very beautiful. And all of Cindy's, my village Cindy's trees, banana trees, mango trees, flowers, all of trees looking nice, very beautiful and good. Like every people like is in my village trees, Cindy's, beautiful trees, mangoes, and neither you not me meet in city town. It's meet my Bhuria colony is Cindy available here and like it very much. Do every people like it very much. Thank you. Okay, like it very much. Thanks.